If you're familiar with installing tile, installing a metal edge is not difficult. You've already got your tile laid out, you've got your lines popped on your wall or your floor, and now you know where your transition pieces need to be. These metal edges will fit right there. So let's mix up our mortar, trowel it out just like normal, and set our metal edges or trims into where those lines are popped. The great thing about metal edges, they have holes in them. And these holes allow the mortar to squeeze through and bond to the tile. This creates a metal edge sandwich. You've got your mortar bonded to the tile on one side and the substrate on the other side, and the metal is held securely in there once everything is cured. Finish your tile work, let those set up, and you're ready to grout and finish it. If your metal edge is the termination of your tile area, you're going to want to put a caulk joint between the metal and the wall to close that gap and make sure nothing penetrates the tile system. These metal trim pieces are not only functional, they're aesthetic also. This is when you can add your personality to the installation, whether it's the edge of a countertop or a balcony, a ramp for the UPS guy so he doesn't break your marble. It doesn't matter. There's a metal trim piece to serve your needs. If you loved that product, I know you're gonna love this one. Click right here, but before you leave, click the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up notification, and the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. And don't forget, let's keep learning together and tile the world.